Hi, Tiger. How you doing? Hey? Yeah, you're a good cat. Yes, you are. What's Tiger gonna do now? You come for a walk with us, right? Come, Tiger. Come, Max. Come for a walk here. Yes, sirree. This way. Come here, Tiger. Yeah, right over there, are you? With Max. Tiger's in there somewhere. Hi, Max. Okay, good walk, eh? Good walk, eh, Max? Oh, there's Tiger again. Oh, boy. Sure. You startled Max, eh? Good Tiger. Good cat. Hey Max, what do you think? Hey? Hey, what are you doing there? Back up. Okay, let's go. Tree here. Your doggy business there. Hey Tiger, what do you think? Strange territory, eh? Okay, Max, ready to go? Oh, hang on, Max. You're all cut up there. Good. Hello. Who's over there? My cat's following me here. What's that? Yeah, I'm saying my cat here is following me. What do you think, Tiger? What's your dog's name?
Say hi.
Sure. Go say hi.
Be nice, Rambo.
Yeah. My dog is my dog's called Max.
Mike. Hi,
Max.
Mike.
Hey. You got a cute little dog there. What's his name or her name?
Rambo.
Rambo? Good. Max and Rambo together. Okay. They want to play, don't they?
He would love to challenge.
Oh yeah. Oh boy. Okay, Max.
Okay, Rambi.
Take care. Come on. Say bye to Rambo. Hey, Tiger. What do you think, eh? What do you think, Tiger? Uh-oh. Tiger. Max. Okay, off we go. Where's Tiger's gonna see back there, way back there. He's gonna see back there and just. Hey, Tiger. Good catch. Hey. Good Tiger. Come on, Tiger. Huh? How you doing, man? Yeah. Tiger, yes. Oh, you want to wrestle, do you? Careful, Max. Careful there. Oh, boy. Okay, I'm going to turn this off now.